Tommy House here at the First Warning Weather Center, tracking a powerful supercell that is a severe thunderstorm for portions of Milam County. From scorching heat to severe weather, we're expecting some big changes here in central Texas in the coming few days. We know that obviously from January to the end of April, it was a drier than normal season, and most, if not all, of the hotter than normal summers correlate with that precipitation anomaly. Hail, nature's frozen bullets.
The September 24th storm ranged from Georgetown down to the river.
For Colin Hald and his team at Elite Roofing and Restoration in Wimberley, that was a day to remember.
What we witnessed with that was a lot of broken skylights, a lot of broken windows, siding damage, of course roof damage.
Softball-sized hailstones fell on the Austin area, generating over $600 million in damages.
All right, we have Tommy House in for Nick this afternoon. Hot out there, and it seems like those clouds hanging over Austin are trying to do something.
Yeah, I was really hoping we could get a shower right over downtown Austin. Non-severe, of course, but today was a hot one. 99 was the official high temperature at Camp Mabry. Our normal high is 94, so it was a warmer than normal day. Our record is 105, so we were sort of in between those two numbers there. Because we were just shy of the triple digits today, we've only had still 2 so far in 2025. I'm not complaining at all. We've actually had 0 so far this month. Those 2 were in the month of May. Clouds and radar, stepping outside right now, about 95% of us are dry. Few tiny light showers out in Bastrop County trying to work their way into eastern portions of Travis County, but they are quickly losing some steam. Skyline looks nice and pretty from the low 90s at 7 p.m., 87 by 9, and by 11, 83. Increase in clouds overnight heading off into your Friday. Starting off tomorrow, 77 in Austin, 75 in Georgetown, 77 in Lockhart, 75 in Bastrop, low 70s out in the hill country. Winds coming in out of the south. High temperatures for your Friday. 97 in Austin, 94 in Georgetown, 95 in Marble Falls, and 93 degrees in Burnet. You factor in the humidity, the feel like or heat indices well over the century mark, east of I-35. How about Bastrop, 104 by tomorrow afternoon, 102 in Austin for that apparent temperature. 10% rain chance for your Friday. This is again east of Austin. That's your highest probability of getting a strong shower or downpour. I think the hill country will be dry. And even then, the high-resolution model clouds and radar is very conservative with the output of any sort of rain, so I do think that 10% could even get dropped to a 0% as we get closer to the overnight hours tomorrow. Here's your weekend forecast. 97 on Saturday, 96 on Sunday. Could see a rare shower or storm. Our high pressure that's been keeping us dry and warmer than normal will move up to the north and east, bringing some unsettled temperatures for much of the eastern seaboard. Locally here in the Lone Star State at the upper levels, we'll see a strong southeasterly flow that'll cool us down just a little bit and bump up our rain chances Wednesday and Thursday from 10% up to 20%. Now, how much rain is expected? I think a good 1/10 of an inch to a 1/4 of an inch and an isolated 1/4 of an inch to a 1/2 inch for the Austin Metro, and then we'll drop off our rain totals farther out west towards San Saba, Mason, Gillespie, and Llano there, probably just a few hundredths of an inch. All right, here's your KXAN First Warning Weather, 7-day forecast, upper 90s Friday and Saturday, and then by Sunday, Monday, down to 96, 95, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, a rare 10% rain chance through the next few days, bumping up to 20% next Wednesday and Thursday, with our overnight lows in the mid to upper 70s.